Well, another news alert. We are keeping track of a fire at Hoover Dam. Social media user Christy Hairston touring the dam and shot this video. Take a look. You can see that thick black smoke billowing from the structure of the dam. So we also have live images there that I believe we can go to, and that's what you're seeing right here. It looks like that fire is now out, but the Boulder Police Department says that they are in the process of gathering working on their investigation of it and the cause of that fire. But at this point, it looks like the fire on that portion of the dam is now put out. Yeah,
that's part of the generating station of the dam there. It's where the water is exiting the dam, so it's downstream on the Colorado River side of it, not up on the Lake Mead side of it there. And so there are two long houses that have big generating stations, turbines underneath, and then the water comes back through this area to dump back into the Colorado River. So I'm not exactly sure what would burn there, but it appeared that it was right on top of that kind of docking area or maybe down below. But we'll continue to get information for you and have more on later editions of Fox 10 News.